So we borrowed Kay's arch roller.
Big Kato.
Do so.
We'll get his van up one day.
Yeah, we'll get his van for.
Oh, someone gonna let the handbrake off putting. No.
So make way for the new era, the young era.
So we've never done this.
Might just start your car and just spin it around. Nothing.
Yeah, don't.
I don't think you want to watch.
No, I'd go inside if I was you.
I don't give a shit.
Yeah. The problem is trying to get it to start the angle. So I think we're gonna have to start it. Try it.
Can that thing be much any shorter? Because we are quite. What you really need to be is further away, so you're pushing it more.
Yeah.
That way. I think.
Yeah, I'd have to take the spacer off to put it in more, so I could bring it out more to flatten it. If you know what I mean.
Well, let's try that.
It is working though. It's going.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
lost
actually
your
going.
fingers.
Nah, it's alright.
Literally, that was nearly
Don't worry
ice
about
skating.
Oh.
in my ship.
How do you feel? Well, this is one arch.
I'd say that
we
is
started on the
successfully
rustiest
not very rusty.
I'm hoping Phil's going to fall out. Doing that.
Just glue that back. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, it's fine.
Cheese grated. Have you seen that?
Yes, I've seen it. Do you not remember my Subaru had it? And we used to go down the road and go, these make a horrendous sound when they scrub. Hope you're paying for the paint.
What's the paint coming off?
Plastic it.
Yeah, I can't wait to plastic dip it. It's going to be amazing. Amazingly cheap.
Actually, this has worked better on this than it did on Kay's van.
You quitting that?
No, I'm rolling it out more.
Oh, it folds that back.
Yeah, I folded it.
I
Now,
reckon
now
the further you get, I reckon we can pump these out a little bit.
yeah, now I'm rolling it out.
Actually, I think you've pumped it out a little bit anyway.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's getting some real bending. Oh.
It's not
Witness-
quite that flat yet.
Nah, witness the flatness though. Jesus.
Witness the litness.
That's where it's rubbing. It doesn't rub the front or back, obviously, because the wheels. Yeah.
It rubs there. Look, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut.
Gonna have to cut that bit off.
Because it's rubbing down
Get
here.
your secateurs then.
Fuck that out. Get the angle
To
grinder
be
out.
fair, that arch is actually, I think it's come out a little bit.
Right. So
To be fair, I'm pretty sure I parked more back. I think Dad's pushed me forwards.
Oh, it has
to
actually
get
popped
out
out
on the
a bit.
Yeah, it looks like it's come out a bit.
I reckon you can square it off. I don't think.
Oh yeah, the front of it needs to come out more. The front of it does.
Well, you can't really
Can't
just
do
do
anything
one
about
bit.
that.
Can. There you go. Oh, will it not go further?
No, because that stops there. That's like a join of the metal bits.
Oh.
That's what I mean. At the back, we can only really do the top bit and pull it out a bit.
Flares is. To me, to you.
Trying to put the wheel back on and see how
I think
it
that's
goes.
pretty good.
It's like rusty.
See how even it is. Is it even or not?
No, it's like more pumped out the front.
Oh, it is now, yeah. You need to just go all the way along.
Yeah,
the
so
list.
I need to go from here really.
Yeah.
I've got something for that. What?
Am I?
1 minute. Yes.
The ace of spades!
No, it'll actually be right. That
What
one.
the fuck is it? Why is it?
See that line there? Look? Yeah.
Right.
Should I put the roller in here so you can hit it harder? You know what I mean?
Oh, I thought the roller. I thought the roller was against it.
No, I moved it to feel it.
Hold. Oh my god,
There
they're
you
like
go,
anal
in
beads
there,
on
look.
the stand. I wish you guys could look at the anal bead stand we've got.
Wind that back on.
Caress my car.
Ooh. Which way's off?
And that's it.
How do you feel about that? Still slow.
Better than it was.
Oh, the screen's gone black.
Yeah, it will. It just shuts off. If you tap the screen, it'll relight up so you can see what you're doing.
Oh yeah.
I think that's pretty even now, to be fair.
Oh yeah. Look here.
Thor.
Power of thunder.
I reckon we get that wheel on because we've never really done this properly to know what we're doing.
That's very disconcerting for me, if that's the right word.
Disconcerting.
No, I've done it before. I did Kay's van.
How the fuck? Does the alphabet king know what disconcerting means?
It's gonna roll away.
Yeah, it's not going far.
It's not going far.
We need to get the front out.
Yeah, that is sticking out a lot there.
That's
the
right.
difference,
We need to
though.
pull
Look
that
at-
bit out.
Look at it compared to the other side.
As his car blows away.
Flush.
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
See?
We just need to correct the rest of it.
See? I think that's alright.
I think we need to pull this out. Somehow.
Yeah. It's doable.
Lump of wood and right.
Yeah.
So, because we need the front to come out,
Yeah.
we're going to fold this lip back with a lump hammer and see how it goes. So we've just, oh, you can't see it anyway, and I haven't got a light, so tough. We just folded all this bit back.
Yeah.
And that bit back. Oh, it's well secured, this bit.
I think that one screw was holding all of that on.
Yeah, I reckon you're right. We're going to need to glue it anyway. But anyway, this is all folded back now, so we can hit it with the arch roller a little bit and see how it goes.
And bend that
Right.
around.
So we're still learning what we're doing here, but we think all of this is supposed to be cars everywhere. All of this is supposed to be clipped on, but all the clips are broken and it's broken. But if we bond this back
Don't look too closely in there.
and bond that back on and get a heat gun on it so we can put the shape into it because it's got a bit more kick out now. And the same with the back. And then just trim out in here. We reckon that, if I get out of the light, looks pretty good.
So it's probably come out a good 15 mil.
You reckon?
Yeah, look at the side, because the tyres were the same back.
It's pretty flush that side. Yeah, right, yeah, we've probably got at least 10 mil, and we've brought it right out all round over here as well. You can see the shape on this one. There. The
It's
shape
definitely
there.
done. It's definitely worked.
It does click in if you push it. Just need some heat on it and some glue.
Yeah, we'll do that last thing.
So I think we're going to go ahead and mess around with it a little bit more, and we'll probably do this side. And as you can see, we've got some serious positive camber on this wheel at the front. We need to work out why that's happening because it's grating it.
Oh yeah, I'll just show you this.
We reckon we put a load of obviously negative camber on, we should be able to pull the tops in and just roll the front slightly, maybe pump them out a little bit. Because we got
Got to take the strut top off.
loads of space to drop them over. Can't you just undo those two and just...
Yeah,
oh no,
you
it
can't get the
unbolts,
bolts
doesn't
out.
it?
Yeah, that's what I mean. You can't get the bolts out.
Oh, the BC ones slide, don't they? They undo
Yeah.
them and they slide over.
Yeah, nah.
Right.
I was gonna say, I definitely put them the same way around.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't put one positive and one
No.
negative. They're both all the way. Well,
So
that's zero technically. according to the
Supposed
instructions.
to be, yeah.
But Toyotas do put something down on, well, on the Mark 1 they have on the hub a bolt that just makes mine really confusing. So we'll just get you up to speed when we work out what we're
We'll
doing.
have the wheel off anyway.
That's done.
We need to make some runners for some plates.
Back's done. It's pretty similar both sides.
Just 400 mil by 40,
450 by
450 by 40.
I know we're doing fronts. And we'll play with the camber in a minute. Yeah, sure. That's gone really well, that hasn't it?
It has gone. Professional arch rolling services.
With your hood up. We've just done, just added the camber.
Well, ensure the toes well.
And it is
Wheels like that.
got quite a good, sitting quite good now.
Oh, that's going to go lower.
There's so much space now for it to go lower.
Oh,
So as
apart
Mike
from
just said, we've sussed out why this wheel stuck out a lot further than the other one.
The hairdresser pointed it out.
The hairdresser did work it out. This step from here to here, we just measured it, it's 10 mil bigger than this one in here. And all of the rest of the wheels match this wheel. So for some reason we've got one odd wheel of these gash looking wheels. Actually, what What make were these wheels we said?
Kosei. K-O-S-E-I.
There. So if anybody knows what that is,
Rip speed. It's actually wolf race.
Wolf race. We'll go down to Halfords and get you a new one.
Oh, sound. I reckon they'll just give me one because they're shit. Now they're light. They're not lighters.
It's not bad, but I'd take off one of my OZs and see how light that is in comparison. Right, we're going to finish off this side. Do the strut top same, it's only those 4 bolts. Well, you have to drop the 4 bolts out.
I don't know where my...
Undo those 4 Allen keys, knock it back, and then just put the 4 Allen keys back in. Bolt it up. It's pretty simple. And it keeps raining, that's why we've not been videoing it.
Where's my socket?
Well, actually say raining, it's been hailing. Yeah.
Where's the socket gone?
So here we go. We have it's been and cleaned it, finished it off. Parked in the shade, so I don't know how good you can see it. It sits pretty good now. We're going to leave the arch gap where it is, because in theory it's supposed to be becoming a track car. It's getting pretty windy now as well. Looks pretty good. Sits quite well.
We've not made it worse.
Pretty flush. Same in the back. So yeah, if you want to see more of Mike's
MR poo.
magnificent red torpedo turd, like the video, subscribe to see more of whatever that absolute plum can do with this car. Or
Yeah,
we
the
can do
engine's
for it.
coming out next time.
It started rattling now, isn't it?
Started rattling like fuck. Yeah,
in our
so
next video,
there's going to be a bottom end rebuild at some point. If not, cams as well, because why not whilst the engine's out. I'm not happy about it though, don't get me wrong.
but yeah, it looks good.
Yeah,
Definitely better than it's ever been. Hopefully you can hear us over the wind.
Some camber bolts would sort the back out.
Some camber bolts and
Yeah,
centre
some camber
caps.
bolts for the back and maybe sort the wheels out a bit. Yeah. Probably
getting
wants a tiny bit of camber on the back just
Yeah.
to lose that top edge.
Yeah.
So we can't bring this out really anymore. Well, we probably could if we really wanted to, but it'd be a lot more work. Cool. Thanks for watching.
I'm glad you're happy.